This video is about removing those stains on a glass oven door. So I'm just going to place you down here for a second. And let's get started. So I'll be using the Shyn paste with a microfiber, wet microfiber, and I'm just going to do circular motions where the spots are. Now I'll keep checking my cloth to make sure that the paste is still there. If it's not, just apply a little more. Now I'm just flipping my cloth over to remove the chemical. Then with a polish cloth, I'm going to wipe dry with my 1-2 method. And I'll show you. From that to that.